Today we're going to be making an heirloom tomato caprese salad. This is one of my go-to recipes every single summer and at lots of parties. I mean, right now in quarantine, we're not going anywhere, but it's still really great to make use of the awesome heirloom tomatoes that are in season right now. So without further ado, let's get to making that heirloom caprese salad that is vegan, I should say. So totally plant-based, no cheese, and so I can't do dairy, and I don't have anything that's going to be dairy on this site because I can't tolerate it, and it's actually really, most people can't tolerate it. It's really not great for you to eat anyway. So this one's going to be a completely vegan, plant-based caprese salad. We're going to start by cutting our heirloom tomatoes. We want them to be about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch thick. Here I'm going to cut a couple slices of each color of tomato that I have. I started with some leftover heirloom tomatoes, so for the green one I only have one slice. So I'm going to cut some yellow heirloom tomato. This one has a little bit of red in it and it's really tasty. And then we're going to cut some orange heirloom tomato. This gives it a really beautiful rainbow look when you put it on the plate, so it makes for a really eye-popping presentation, but you can certainly use whatever heirloom tomatoes you have. So just go ahead and arrange them on the plate in whatever way you find to be visually pleasing. Next, we're going to add basil leaves. Here I've just tucked one larger basil leaf in between each tomato, but you can chiffonade or whatever you'd like. And then drizzle some extra virgin olive oil over each slice. And a little bit of balsamic. This is where my recipe differs a little from what's out there, but I love balsamic on tomatoes. It's really good. And then a little freshly cracked salt. And freshly cracked pepper. So there you have it. Super simple and easy and completely vegan. And you can use some vegan mozzarella if you like. I think Miyoko's makes one. There may be other ones out there. But this one is really pretty. I mean, like, look at these colors. Like, it's amazing. So, so you can serve it like this, and I'll be honest, the way that I usually make this when I take this to parties is I chop up the tomatoes a little bit more so that they are easy to kind of scoop, and then I just put it in a big Tupperware container or glass container, have a lid on it, and then I shake it all up so that it creates a really great dressing over this. So the olive oil and the balsamic and salt and pepper, it is super simple but so good. So you can try it either way. This one's obviously one that's going to probably get you a little bit more in the you know, wow, showstopper pretty department. The other one will definitely still get you the, like, wow, this tastes really good. I have been making this for years. Work potlucks and all sorts of other things I've taken this to, and I always get tons and tons of compliments on it. So try it out. Don't be afraid of the fact that it's vegan. That actually makes it great when you are taking it places, and the rare chance that we will get to do that sometime soon, but in the future. And you know, if you can find tomatoes other times of the year, you can obviously use other types of tomatoes if you don't want to use heirloom tomatoes. I know there's a little bit more expensive. The smaller heirloom tomatoes, grape size, are really great for this too. You can just quarter or halve those and do the same exact thing. And so yeah, enjoy this, and it's a little taste of summer in every bite. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you want, you can check out my account at Instagram. It's at Jen Yoakum, and there I'm constantly posting videos and recipes and other fun content. So I hope to see you there.